Imagine waking up tomorrow, but somehow you're no longer in 2026. Your calendar says January 2009. Your laptop still works. Your memories are intact. You remember one thing. Bitcoin has just been created. Right now, Bitcoin is worth almost nothing. People laugh, banks ignore it, but you already know what happens next. This tiny digital coin will create millionaires and billionaires. You know this little digital coin will one day make ordinary people into millionaires and a few into billionaires. So, what if you bought Bitcoin before everyone else? Would you become the richest person alive or destroy Bitcoin itself? You rush to your computer. There are no crypto exchanges, influencers, or YouTube tutorials. Only a handful of programmers know Bitcoin exists. You download the software and start mining. Your computer starts mining. The fan spins loudly. Hours later, you earn your first 50 Bitcoins. Your parents ask, "What are you doing?" You smile and reply, "I'm mining money." Your dad whispers, "I think we've lost him." Your friends think you're completely crazy. One friend offers you a pizza instead of Bitcoin. Suddenly, you remember the famous 10,000 Bitcoin pizza story. You quietly refuse the pizza and choose instant noodles instead. Your friends laugh even harder. Little do they know, those noodles just became the most profitable meal of your entire life. Years pass. You continue buying Bitcoin until you own millions of coins. Then Bitcoin reaches $1, you open your calculator, and it freezes. Bitcoin reaches $100, then $1,000. Your calculator freezes. Again, you buy one beautiful house, then another, until you forget how many you own. Your Bitcoin fortune grows larger than entire countries. Soon you own sports cars, hypercars, classic cars, and a garage so huge you need a map. You buy a private jet, then another. Eventually you own more pilots than bicycles. The media gives you strange names: the crypto ghost, the invisible whale, the Bitcoin king. Nobody knows it's you, but the whole world is searching for the mysterious Bitcoin billionaire. Then one morning, your Bitcoin wallet becomes worth more than entire countries. Luxury brands send gifts. Private banks call nonstop. Politicians suddenly want to meet you. Even relatives you've never met somehow know your birthday. Your assistant creates a folder called People Who Suddenly Remember Me. Then one day, you decide to sell just 1% of your Bitcoin. You take one deep breath and press sell. The market instantly crashes. Red candles flood every chart. You sold only 1%, but billions disappear in minutes. You realize something terrifying. Bitcoin doesn't follow the market anymore. The market follows you. Hedge funds start tracking your wallet 24 hours a day. Every movement in your wallet becomes breaking news before you even read the notification. You wanted financial freedom. Instead, the entire world is watching every click. You suddenly realize you don't own your fortune anymore. Your fortune owns you. Then one simple thought changes everything. Bitcoin isn't valuable because you own it. Bitcoin is valuable because millions of people believe it has value. Without trust, your unimaginable fortune becomes nothing more than numbers on a screen. Value doesn't live inside money. It lives inside people. Instead of chasing even more Bitcoin, you begin investing in people. You help build schools, hospitals, clean energy, and technology that improves millions of lives. Years later, people stop asking how much Bitcoin you owned. They remember what you built with it. Maybe buying Bitcoin before everyone else was never the real advantage. Thousands of people had the same opportunity. but almost nobody believed long enough. The difference wasn't information. The difference was belief. Knowing the future is easy. Believing in it before everyone else is the hard part. How much Bitcoin would you buy? Would you really hold it? Tell us below. Keep asking, what if?